So now let's see how we can work around and apply Conté Crayon effect inside of Corel Draw. So to do that, I'm going to go ahead and import out an image that I want to go ahead and apply the Conté Crayon effect to. So let's just go around over here and click and drag this out right here. And once I do that, I'm going to go around under effect and then go to art stroke right here. So once I go ahead and do that, I'm going to go to Conté Crayon right here, just like this. And once I do that, what happens is that it is simply applied right here, just like this, as you can see. So once I go ahead and do that, you can see that this is the paper color that you can go around and select, and you can change around the paper color as you like as well. For example, I can go ahead and make it yellow, let's say for example, and then it simply goes ahead and applies that out. So I'm going to go ahead and change around the texture right here, just like this as well. And then it does take a bit of time to actually go ahead and then change it out. So you can see that this is the effect that you have now, and you can also go ahead and change around the effect as you like right here. So you can go around and choose. You do need to go ahead and check this out right here, as you can see right here, and get the different effects. So I'm just going to go around, and you can see that you can check out or you can check in right here, just like this as well. So let me just go ahead and check this in. Let's just go around and check this in as well, and you get the details accordingly. So you need to go ahead and wait for a bit, because it does take a bit of time to go ahead and process those out. So you can see that according to the colors that I choose right here, you can see that the colors are applied, as you can see, just like this. So you need to just go around and wait, and it's applying the other color as well. And you can also go around over here just like this and change around the paper color according to how you want as well, and get the Conté Crayon effect just like this, as you can see. So this is how you can apply the effect inside of Corel Draw. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.